Winrar 64-bit for your PC, how to download. Now I am sharing with you. Let's go to the Microsoft page, then paste this link. I will give this link in the description box. Then go to software, and software tab you can see here, download software. Actually, this software you can download from Google Drive, and all are authentic software. They are in zip mode, so no virus you can find, and you can easily find download the whole files. That's why I made this one zip. So let's go to the download. So when you go to the download software, you can make sure you log in your Google. Then if you log in your Google, then you will directly go to the drive. Then you see here the software. Now only one software I uploaded for you in here, and rest of the software will, all the software will be here for next time. You can see my other videos for any other utility or Windows software if you need it. So I download this software. Download anyway. See the download software will download here. So I'm just press yes or go to the Microsoft will download it. So I double click this one and press yes and install. And to all activities that you want to open, the ISO file, jar file, zip file, all these things will be open in this window. So I press the OK and done. So here is how you install this Windows software easily. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you want tech related any computer Windows software from me. Bye bye.